Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So it is time to finish our cash splash bonus. So for my bonus, it is 30 offers, get $10 back. I know some of you had way better ones, like 15 offers, get back $10, but that is okay. We have been doing tons of Ibotta rebates from CVS and Walgreens, Dollar General last week as well. So today we are gonna finish it because it does expire for me in 3 days. So you wanna make sure that you're always watching the expiration dates. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, take a second and hit that subscribe button. So we are at Walmart. We're gonna be using a couple other rebate apps, Fetch Rewards, Saving Star, and a nice huge moneymaker still going on Checkout 51. I was scrolling through Checkout 51 earlier and look what I found. A ton of amazing cashback offers at CVS only on Secret Deodorant, Secret Clinical Strength, Old Spice deodorant and body wash. The ROC is on there as well, which I'm still trying to find so I can do that deal at CVS. So stay tuned for that. We are going to be doing at least 18 offers today to make sure that we can hit that bonus. So let's go inside and start taking advantage of these deals. Our first deal today is going to be on the Butterfinger Candy. So I'm able to do the single bars on mine. They are 88 cents. Ibotta is going to give us back 25 cents, making this just 63 cents. Now we are going to grab a couple sodas. So we are going to grab this Coke Zero Sugar. It has to be this one. They are all $1.88, and Ibotta is going to give us back 50 cents for this one. The Dasani as well, $1.88, and Ibotta is going to give us back 50 cents. They do all have to be the 20 fluid ounce. Then we're going to grab a Sprite, so same thing. Ibotta is going to give us back 50 cents. Then we need to go find the Fanta, because that'll be the last bottled beverage we're going to grab today. Another deal you can do is on the Copper Tone. So these kids right here are $6.97. Some of them have these little tag things for $2 off of one. Then you would pay $4.97, submit to Ibotta for $2 back, making your final cost $2.97 or just about $3 for some sunscreen, which is definitely a great deal. Okay, I am super excited for this deal. So I was just having to walk through here to go to the body wash, and they have the Revlon Total Color at this Walmart. So you can grab any of these. They are $6.98. On Ibotta, I have two different rebates. I have a $6 back rebate and this 10-cent any hair color rebate. That'll give me back $6.10, making a box of hair dye just 88 cents, and it is vegan. So I'm really excited to try this out. I'm gonna give it to my mom. She uses these to dye her hair. The next deal we're gonna grab is the Nivea body wash. It has to be the 20 ounces, not the smaller bottles. And we're gonna use this, ignore the lipstick, $3 off 2 coupon from the 614 Smart Source insert, I believe. It will be listed in the printable breakdown, and they have only 2 left. How perfect is that? So they're $4.97 each. After this $3 coupon, you will pay $6.97, submit to Ibotta for $2 back each. Final cost is gonna be $2.97 for both, or $1.45 or something like that each, which is definitely a great deal for such a large body wash. Okay, so here is a Checkout 51 money maker deal. So we're gonna grab these Bic Soleil, any of these. They're $4.92. If you go to the website, you can print a $3 off coupon, or there were $3 off coupons from previous inserts. Again, it will be listed in the printable breakdown what insert this comes from. So we're gonna grab 3 of these. We'll pay just $1.92 each with the $3 coupon. Then we're gonna submit to Checkout 51 for $3 back each. So each of these is going to be a nice moneymaker, about $1.08 each. And in the deodorant section, we are gonna get more Suave Deodorant. So the Suave Men's is $1.97. You can grab that one or this one. Then we're gonna submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back for this one. We are also going to grab the Suave Women's. So These are $1.48. We're gonna submit to Ibotta as well, 50 cents back, and we're gonna submit our receipt to Fetch Rewards. We're gonna get back 500 points each. So 500 points for this one and 500 points for this one. So that'll be $1 back as well. So final cost for this one alone is gonna be 48 cents. Final cost for the men's deodorant is gonna be just 97 cents. Next, we're gonna grab some granola bars. So you can grab these Nature Valley Crunchy. They are $2.38. You're gonna go ahead and grab 2 of those. If you wanna grab this instead, you can. You just wanna grab 2. Ibotta is gonna give us back 50 cents each, and Saving Star is gonna give us back 50 cents when you buy 2. So final cost on these is gonna be like $1.69 each, which is definitely a great deal. And a quick update, I scanned the peanut butter. They do not attach, but the oats and honey do. So I'm gonna grab 2 of the oats and honey. The next deal is on this brownie brittle. So I'm gonna grab this one. It is $2.88. We're gonna submit it to Ibotta for 75 cents back and to Fetch Rewards for 75 cents back as well. If you're new to Fetch Rewards, here is my code, J24VT. When you sign up, you'll get an additional 2,750 points when you scan your first receipt. So doing this deal, your final cost will be just $1.38. The next deal we're gonna do is on these Good Thins. So they're $2.26 each. We're gonna grab 2 of them. We're gonna use this $1-off-2 coupon that we got from the 621 Smart Source. Then we're gonna submit it to Ibotta for $1 back each. Final cost is gonna be about $1.56 for 2, or about 76 cents each, so not a bad deal. The next deal we're gonna do is on these Snuggle oil starter kits. They're $2.97. We're gonna use this $2 Ibotta rebate. Final cost is just 97 cents. You can also do this at Dollar General, which I was gonna do, but I just wanna make sure I can finish this bonus. There is a $3 coupon from previous inserts that I believe is attaching, but I don't have that to give it a shot for you guys. Now we're gonna get some Renews It. So I'm gonna grab the value pack here. They are $2.74. From coupons.com, you can print off this $1 coupon. We'll pay $2.74, submit it to Ibotta, get back $1, making it 74 cents for a 3-pack, which is definitely a great, great deal. The next deal we're gonna do is on the AHA Sparkling Water. So they are on rollback for just $3. If you submit this to ShopKick, you will get back 700 kicks. And while you're in store, if you scan it, you'll get back an additional 5 kicks, which is in essence $2.82, making it just 18 cents. And this is an 8-pack, which is a great deal. Next deal is on Salsa. So we're gonna grab any of these here. They're $1.98. On coupons.com, you can print $1-off-2 coupon. Then we're gonna submit it to Ibotta for 25 cents back each. And this 10-cent any dip actually came up as well, so that'll come off too. So now your final cost is gonna be about $1.20 each. If your kids or yourself like some Capri Sun, these 10 packs down here are just $1.98. They have a couple different varieties available. I'm gonna grab the Mountain Cooler here. They are $1.98. Ibotta is gonna give us back 20 cents, making this $1.78. The next deal is on the U by Kotex. They're $2.97. So for the 50 count, we are going to submit it to Ibotta for $2 back. And if you go on the website, scottbrand.com, you can print a 50-cent coupon, making this just 47 cents. All right, and I cannot find the Fanta, so we're gonna switch it up. We're gonna grab one of these sweet tart ropes here. They are $1.48. Submit it to Ibotta for 50 cents back, making it just 98 cents. Okay, so this is the total for everything. Now we're gonna scan our coupons right here. Then you can pay with Fetch Rewards or cash, and I will go over everything and the receipts in the truck. Okay, so we're back in from Walmart, and I scanned all of my receipts.
Of course, the checkout 51 offer is gone, and I needed that for $9 back, which totally threw off my deal, so I'll have to return those 3 items. What a bummer. I know some different app rebates and stuff from Ibotta and different apps have been kind of disappearing. Usually I'm good about that, but today totally messed that one up, but that is okay. So I want to go over my receipt real quick and just kind of show you what I got. This is everything that I got, except for the $2. That's just for some fruit snacks that I wanted. All of the different coupons came off except for the $1 off 2 paper coupon from the inserts for the Good Thins. That didn't come off for some reason when it should have. And the 50 cents off of the You by Kotex coupon that I had didn't come off either. So the cashier just entered those in manually. So you will pay that out of pocket. I tried to get my Fetch Rewards to pull up so I could use a gift card, and I had no service in that section of the store, so I couldn't do that. So I did just pay it out of pocket. Got back $23 and some change from Ibotta. Hit the cash splash bonus. Got back $10 for that. I got a 25-cent bonus for the Coca-Cola product, so I got that. Then I couldn't submit it to checkout 51. I can't believe I did that. That is so annoying. Because I hate having to go back and return things. Ugh. That's okay. Then I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards. Got back 1,100 points, I think, whatever's showing right here, from Fetch Rewards. So that is awesome for the Suave Deodorant and everything. Still have to submit my receipt to Swagbucks. And I think that was the only other app. Oh, and Saving Star, it'll give me that back automatically. Some Saving Star, you have to attach your account. Walmart, I haven't checked yet, but I think I submitted. I may have the account. I'll have to double check and get that submitted as well. All in all, everything went amazing. I had to switch up a couple deals. They didn't have a couple items that I wanted, and I forgot to pick up the Salsa, the other Salsa deal that I wanted to do. So I totally forgot about that one. I did do, if I can even find it, I did do the deal on the Trident. So they are 88 cents each, buy 2, submit to Ibotta for $1.12 back, making it 64 cents for 2 Tridents, which is awesome. All of my referral codes for all the different apps that I used today are in the description box. There is a printable breakdown as well, showing a ton of different deals to help you guys reach your cash splash bonuses as well. If there's any other freebies or moneymaker deals or just some hot deals that you guys may have done towards your bonus, drop a comment below, let us know. That way we can all take advantage of these deals and hit our bonuses before they expire. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up for me, and I will see you next time.